Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable circle to search on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just press and hold on the home button of your smartphone to enable circle to search. Now just circle anything on the screen to search, just like that. Just like that. Now from here, if you open any app on your smartphone, for example, if I open the Google Chrome app, and if you open any website on your smartphone, just like that, and if you press and hold on the home button while you're using this app, and from here you can circle anything to search, just like that. Now if you're using gestures instead of the traditional navigation buttons on your smartphone, just tap and hold on the bar at the bottom of your smartphone to enable circle to search. Now to do that, just go to your home screen and open the settings app. Now on the screen, just scroll down and tap on system management. Now just tap on system navigation, and from here just select gesture navigations. And from here, if you tap and hold on this bar at the bottom of your smartphone, you can enable circle to search. Just like that. And this is how you can enable circle to search on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.